Hello, my name is Melissa and today we are going to learn how to write a descriptive paragraph. The first thing we need to take into account is the topic. So the first thing we are going to write is the topic sentence. The topic sentence is the one that catches our reader's attention. So it focuses on the information that you want to share. For doing so, you need to be clear and concise. You can start by describing the first thing that comes to your mind in order to catch the reader's attention. For example, the Alps are one of the most mesmerizing places I have ever seen. Then you need to support those ideas. So then it goes supporting sentence number 1. It helps you to support the topic of your paragraph. Supporting sentences are the ones that highlight the small details of the description. Okay, so it focuses on the specific aspects of the thing or the object or the place that you are describing. For example, when you're heading the Alps zone, you can see how the snow looks like a piece of cotton. How houses seem to be part of a fairy tale. As we need many details, so we can include 1, 2, or 3 supporting sentences. So in there, you need to use attractive language. So let's see what it's about supporting sentence number 2. In supporting sentence, you need to describe very detailed the place or the thing that you are describing. Yeah, for doing so, you need to try descriptive words. Look for the words that capture the feeling or the spirit of the description. Okay, for example, once you have the place to start hiking the Alps, you feel like an excited child with his or her new toy. You cannot wait to be in one of the highest peaks in the world. After giving you the more details you can have, you need to conclude the sentence. So in this sentence, you need to make people want to be part of the place, or the person, or the object. In the concluding sentence, talk about your experience and how you feel when you are with or in that place or person. Advise them to try that experience by themselves. For example, if you have the opportunity to feel the smallest organism while being in the top of the world, you will be back to the reality amazed about how a mountain can make you feel. It's important to remember that we need to use details because it's a description, so the more detailed information you have, the better paragraph will be. Write about feelings and sensations help you to catch readers' attention and highlight the most important details inside the paragraph. I hope this information has been helpful for you to start writing. So I will be waiting for your writing and your amazing descriptions. Bye!